In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your realized profit and loss for closed trades on Robinhood. Whether you're curious about how your investments have performed over time, or you simply want to track your trading history for personal records or tax purposes, being able to find this information quickly and accurately is really important. So, let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll need to access your Robinhood account. You can do this either by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device or by visiting the Robinhood website on your computer. Make sure you enter your login credentials carefully to protect your account and keep your personal information safe. If you ever forget your login details, Robinhood offers secure options to help you recover your account. Once you're logged in, look for the account option. On the app, you'll typically find this by tapping the person icon in the lower right corner of your screen. If you're using the web version, your account icon is usually at the top right of the page. Clicking on this will open up your main account menu, where you can manage everything related to your Robinhood investments. After opening the account menu, locate the section labeled either History or Statements and History. Sometimes the wording may differ slightly depending on updates to the platform or whether you're using the app or the website. Both of these options will take you to the area where Robinhood keeps a detailed record of your past activity. Inside the History section, you'll be able to see a summary of all your previous transactions, including buys, sells, dividends, deposits, and withdrawals. This is the place where Robinhood tracks all your investment actions. What you're specifically looking for is the realized profit and loss from your closed trades. These are trades you've completed, where you've both bought and sold a particular stock. Robinhood calculates your realized profit and loss by taking the difference between your purchase price and your selling price, factoring in any fees if they apply. Reviewing your realized profit and loss helps you understand how well your investment strategy is working. If you see an overall profit, that means you've sold your trades for more than you originally paid. If you notice a loss, consider reviewing what led to that outcome and use it as a learning opportunity for your future trades. Keep in mind, while Robinhood makes this information easily accessible, it's always smart to double-check the details if you're using it for reporting or taxes. If you need a full report, the Statements and History section allows you to download documents for more comprehensive records. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and easily check your realized profit and loss on Robinhood. This will help keep you informed about your trading results and empower you to make smarter investment decisions going forward. Thanks for watching and good luck with your future trades.